I'll be giving a short presentation on my project for MP7. I wanted to get some experience with using Xcode and writing programs in Swift, so I decided to make a soundboard iOS app. The app basically has 6 buttons, and each of them play a different sound when tapped. So for example, if I tap this, it'll play a sound.
You're fired. You are fake news. I'm really rich. Wrong.
So that's essentially all the app does. The app relies on a framework called AV Foundation. This is a popular framework used to play and create audiovisual media. After importing this framework, I created an array of sound file names, and to play these sounds, I created an empty array of audio players. I set up the audio players using this for loop. Essentially, the location of each sound is found and it is added to the audio player array. A try-catch statement is used so that if the sound isn't found, an empty sound is passed into the array so the program doesn't crash. I then assigned each button a unique tag value, and then in my button tapped function down here, when the button is tapped, the tag that it was assigned corresponds with the correct index position of the sound in the array of audio players that the button is meant to play. So for example, fired has a tag of 0, as you can see here, and this is because at the 0th index in the audio player, the appropriate sound for your fired is linked. The main problem I encountered with this program was setting up the audio players. Originally, my audio files were of various types, so since my code only specified MP3 files here, the WAV files wouldn't play. This is why I used a try-catch loop, since I wanted my program to stop failing. When I realized all the sound files had to be the same type, I converted all my files to MP3s, and this fixed the problem. For further exploration, I would try to improve on the UI, since it's quite simple now, and maybe include some animations or an animated character to make the app more engaging.